Welcome SATS Busters to question 9, and this question's all about cricket. But wait a minute, this is a maths test. So there's going to be some maths behind it. It says the list below shows the years in which the Cricket World Cup was held since 1992. It was held in 1992, 1996, 1999, 2003, 2007, 2011, 2015. Adam says the Cricket World Cup has been held every 4 years since 1992. But he even tells us that Adam is not correct, and we've got to explain how we know this. Well, the first thing we've got to do is look at the gaps between each World Cup. So from 1992 to 96, that is a gap of 4. From 96 to 99, that's a gap of 3. 1993 to 2003, well, yeah, you add 4 onto 1999 to get 2003, so that's a gap of 4. 2003 plus 4 is 2007, 2007 plus 4 is 2011, and 2011 plus 4 is 2015. Now, as you can see, it is a gap of 4 most of the time, but it is not a gap of 4 between 1996 and 1999. That is only a gap of 3 years. So that is actually what we need to explain. So what we need to say is between 1996 and 1999, it is only a gap of 3 years. Now, you could go into more detail. You could say that all the other World Cups have a gap of 4 years between them, but pretty much you've given them what they've asked for. They just wanted you to highlight that it's not always 4 years, that gap is actually 3 years. But it just goes to show you that you shouldn't just assume that because most of the gaps are the same, which they are here, most of the gaps are 4 years, that every gap is 4 years. You should always just double check. Now, there's probably a reason that you could look up on the internet as to why that was a gap of 3 years and why it was held in 1999 and not the year later, which would be 2000, which would have been a gap of 4 years. I'm sure there'll be a real reason. We don't have to give that real reason here, as long as we explain why he's not correct.